again. Kakatapos lang natin mag-shopping. Namili lang ako ng mga fruits. Yung blueberries na gusto ko. Saka watermelon. At saka ano-ano. Tinapay. Chicharon. Shrimp. Favorite chicharon. Blueberries. Dito ako sa waiting shed. Waiting for my bus. 12:07 pa ang dating. I'm on time. Makakauwi tayo ng maga. It's Monday. Holiday. My holiday. Please subscribe my YouTube channel in Pinay Wife Life in Japan. Please support my channel for my advocacies. Gusto kong makatulong sa ating government.